warthog and a meerkat dancing atop a glowing asteroid. Yeah! added the meerkat smirking. We're originals. They strutted off, leaving Cleo scratching her head. Giraffe appeared, her long neck stretching into the stars, and her voice soft and serene. Cleo, look beyond what is close. A towering elephant emerged, her tusks glittering like ice. She spoke with a voice as steady as the earth. Wisdom is not in what you take, but in what you give. You give me a heart attack every time you shake Stardust, a mighty lion, his mane ablaze with the golden light of the sun. His voice was deep and commanding, yet kind. True strength comes from within. Clear side. Causeway. A little lost lizard. I could use a snack. Clear's heart raced and the owl lunged, its beak 100 inches from her tail. She darted and twisted, dodging desperate, but the owl was fast. This time, it wasn't just to blend into the darkness. Her skin began to shimmer, and soon she was glowing. Fireflies of the jungle lit up, their golden glow joining motors as they sent a signal up towards Cleo, guiding her home. Motors zipped at her. Cleo, you were everything she needed to be.